Hello everybody, I'm Enchanted Moon and welcome to my channel. I have a witchy unboxing for you from the UK and sent with love. This is April's Witch Casket. Very exciting. These boxes are always awesome. So this is our box. And when we open it, it always has the Witch Casket logo all over it. And it smells like herbs. And here, guys, if you'd like to get a casket of your own, is their information. Instagram, Facebook, and Tumblr. And this is what it looks like. So our theme for April is high power. Ooh, and everything's gonna match this theme. All right, so the first thing we have is a beautiful art card. This is really pretty. It has a candle, the moon, us looking up at the moon, pentacle, crystals, all kinds of pretty things. And in the back, it has the new thing that they have. It's called the monthly manifestations. Very cool. Next, we have on top is our spell kit. This one says Witch Casket exclusive Empowerment Spell Powder Kit. Contains everything you need to make your magical spell powder for empowerment. And once I open this up, we will see what's in it. Okay. In here we have our spell. It's a pretty card. And the spell itself. We have three herbs. 1, 2, and 3. They're numbered. Yarrow, bay leaves, and mint. And of course the directions to make it. Ooh, ooh, ooh. Big, beautiful black canvas feeling bag. Pentacle, and it says power amulets. Ooh, ooh, ooh. Big bag. I'm so excited. Okay. In here, we have a little booklet here. And it says, which power amulets? The ocean, wheat, the sun, the cactus, the eye, an apple. And we have this nice black, this one feels like a velvet feel bag. This is like a little fancy bag. Which power amulets? Let's see. This is tied really good. Okay. I think I opened it. Let's see what's in it. Ah, there we go. Okay. No, I can't open it. It's real tight. Okay. I'm trying, guys, to unleash it from its bag. It's tied really good. And it blends because it's black. Okay. I think I got it this time. Yes. I got it. All right. So, ooh, these are really cool. We got the eye. And it's on like a pewter. We have the apple. And like, again, it's on a pewter. The cactus. Wheat. And then, what is this one? Oh, the ocean. That is cool. And obviously gives you more information about it in this. How to use it in spellcraft, in divination. It's all there so you can use these. This is cool. Very, very nice. I love the bags. Ooh, what's next? Right on top. We have the Witch Casket exclusive Power Up Herbal Blend. A magical blend of Canterbury, Blue Cohosh, and Red Carnation. Use this magical herbal blend to add power to any spell or ritual. Use this to dress or circle candles, add to charm bags and spell jars, or use in ritual baths, etc. And I've got a matching cute little box, and we have that bag of magical power herbs in there. Love how it's displayed in this nice box. Okay, next we have this black sachet. And this guy, we have, looks like our crystal of the month. Clear crystal point. Really nice size. And then, of course, the information about the crystal point. Really nice. Ooh, we have another sachet here, guys. This one Witch Casket Essential Hematite Power Pendant. So we have it on a black like cord chain, and we have the Hematite Power Pendant. It's good for grounding as well. Very cool. Then we have this pin is absolutely gorgeous. Look at the beautiful pentacle. It's got a moon in there too. That's really nice. And that's the back. Reaching up for the moon. Very nice. I like that a lot. I like the design. Ooh, what is this? Tied in a pretty, pretty bow. Looks like an altar cloth of sorts. Let's see. It's big. Whatever this is, it's big. So it's probably not an altar cloth. Or maybe it is. But it's big. Oh, I think it goes this way. Look how pretty. This is really very, very big. It's like more like a tablecloth, but it's a very big, oversized altar cloth. Like a power-up symbol with the pentacle. Nice. Very cool. And then we have this item. Look how pretty this is. It's wooden box. You can, and it has this so we can hang it up. If you choose, you can hang it up on the wall. And look how pretty it is. Let me give you a closer look. That is nice. And the last item in our box is our, oh, this way, our scroll. Okay. Empowering incantations. It's our Book of Shadows sheet for April. All right, let's go over what we got in our box. All right. Got some pretty cool things. All right, so high power. Show you the beautiful art. This says, hello, beautiful witches. Thank you for subscribing to April's Witch Casket. Here is an entire casket to help you increase the power of your magic. Please remember to read through the pamphlet so you can familiarize yourself with these month's items and safety information. Once again, we have been awed by your creative, magical pictures of our Witch Casket items in the past month. Please continue to tag your social media posts, Witch Caskets, so we can see and find and share them. It means the world to us. And of course, they're already working on May's Casket. So let's see what we got here. First item here is the Enchanting Altar Cloth. So it is an altar cloth, but it's very big. So it's a really nice size. Bring some finery and magic to your altar with this beautiful altar cloth we've designed and created exclusively for our subscribers. Oops. Oh, there goes my little peanuts. Made with 100% cotton. Then we got the Witch's Power Amulets in this cool bag. The enchanting set of 6 power amulets which can be carried with you as magical charms. We have other uses too. In spellcraft, these powerful amulets can be used to set intentions during spells and rituals. You can also add them to charm bags or rituals for extra power. In divination, either draw one amulet from the pouch to find find out what needs your focus, or cast all the amulets and read from those which land face up. Okay, then on this side it says Power Up Herbal Blend. Magical blend of canary blue cohosh and red carnation. Use this magical herbal blend to power up any spell or ritual. Dress candles, charm bags, add it to charm bags, spell jars, or even to your ritual bath. Hanging Curiosity Shelf. Because we all need a home for our witchy oddities and curiosities, this adorable shelf was made especially for you with love from us. Very cute. Hematite Power Pendant. Carry this magical vibrations of hematite when you want to be empowered. Hematite helps promote confidence, self-esteem, mental clarity, and strength during times of stress and anxiety. Then we can flip over. Next item, Empowerment Spell Powder Kit. Comes with the yarrow bay leaves, mint, and the full instructions to make your powder. Then we got the crystal quartz point amplifying stone, so it can add power to any spells or ritual. A powerful manifestation tool. Crystal points can be carried, used as direct energy in the universe during rituals and crystal healing. Then this beautiful pentacle enamel pin. I absolutely love this. It's beautiful. They always make gorgeous pins, but this one, I don't know, I love it. Love it. Of course, the empowerment incantations parchment scroll. And then, of course, the last item is the art print with the manifestation on the back. Let me know, guys, what you think. Thank you for watching. I'll leave the information down below. And see you next time.